Today we are changing the auxiliary belt on the Mini. It squeals when it first starts up and it's annoying mardy arse. Jake. Okay, to start with, after you've got the wheel off, obviously, you need to take the arch liner off. We've given up halfway through as two of the screws are actually rounded off, but they are just Phillips. So the idea is you take it all off and then you get the tool on.
Get the tool in. You pull towards the steering wheel. That's so. That's through there. Through there. And you just let go. Bloody hell. Don't actually look that bad, other than that. It's not as bad as I thought. Is it? Look at it. I mean, there's that. There we go.
New versus old.
Problem is that tool. It's getting it round that. That was the difficult bit. What the fuck? I've got to get on there, so. Yeah, I think I need it round this first. Right. I've somehow got to get it round there now. Oh shit.
Probably why
Okay, sit right. The
tension.
tensioner's broken. Now, if I cut back 5 minutes, I've never removed a tensioner without breaking it. And it turns out I broke one.
Yeah,
again.
but if you look at the old belt, it had a chunk missing. So does it look like it's there?
Quite possibly.
So
The squeal is down to the tensioner, not the belt. So,
yeah.
Wasted the money, really.
How much was the belt?
£8. £8.
Not that bad.
Yeah, but the problem is I'll put the new belt on and it's the tensioner that's knackered. The best way to do it is to wrap the top half around first with it loosely connected under the bottom, like halfway, like 3 ribs. You ready?
Yeah.
Gently does it. And there we go. That's on. That's on. Maybe the other way. Maybe the other way. That's on. Just the wheel arch now. Wheel liner. There we go, that's on. We'll put the wheel back on. Douchebag here has left the ignition on all the while we're doing that.
Why is it my fault?
You can guarantee the battery's dead.
Bummer.
What we're going to mention? Oh yeah, you should probably test it before you put it all back together. So you ready?
Yeah.
We fixed it. Can you believe it?
Baby,